Hi guys! Today we're going to play a game called Silly Soup. I've got lots of water here. You can do the same thing if you have a little pool like that. If not, you can use a big saucepan like that, okay? Now, for my soup, I need to put special ingredients in for it to be silly, all right? Well, I found lots of flowers when I was going for a walk, so I'm going to spread them all over. Wow. So we're going to use a ladle to mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And the song goes like this. I'm gonna make a silly soup. I'm making soup that's silly. I'm gonna put it to the fridge to make it nice and chilly. Now, but I need more ingredients inside my soup. So the first one I found is that. Listen. Ish. Ish. What could that be, guys? Fish. 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 That's right. It's a fish. Are you ready? Yay! We're going to put the fish into the soup. Ready? And sing along with me. Ready? I'm gonna make a silly soup. I'm making soup that's silly. I'm gonna put it to the fridge to make it nice and chilly. Fish. The next one is, the next one is this. Listen. Ah, ah, ar, car. What is it? Yes, it's a car. Let's see. I've got a car. Ready? Boom. Let's mix it. Ready? I'm gonna make a silly soup. I'm making soup that's silly. I'm gonna put it to the fridge to make it nice and chilly. Car. The next ingredient I'm going to use is, listen. Ow. Ow. Cow. It is. It's a cow. Ready? Let's see. Wow, I've got a cow. Moo. Ooh. Let's mix it. I'm gonna make a silly soup. I'm making soup that's silly. I'm gonna put it to the fridge to make it nice and chilly. Cow. Good job. Now I've got something else here. I've got something that goes like this. D, ice. D, ice. D, ice. Dice. It is. It's a dice. Let's put it in. Boop. I'm gonna make a silly soup. I'm making soup that's silly. I'm gonna put it to the fridge to make it nice and chilly. Dice. Well, well, well. I've got one last thing that I'm missing in my soup. Are you ready? Listen. Art. Art. Heart. What could that be, guys? Heart. Yes, it's a heart. Good job. Let's put the heart into my silly soup. And let's mix it all together. Ready? I'm gonna make a silly soup. I'm making soup that's silly. I'm gonna put it to the fridge to make it nice and chilly. Let's try it. Delicious. You create your own soup, guys, okay? And let me know what special ingredients have you put in. Good luck.